guys, just coming. Shh.
Ew, keep quiet, keep quiet.
I love you, crap.
Oh, right, yo.
Go, bro. That was close. So guys, for this tutorial, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some okra, and this is like 19.99 at your local supermarket. So I've had these for like a week now, and I should have done them because it's starting to mold and get a little brown, but yeah, you can use that. And then you're gonna need a bowl and some clean water, and this is actually filtered water, and a funnel. And then you're gonna need a bottle, just an empty bottle, to pour it inside when you're done there. So I sterilized this with my surgical spirit, and I don't know if it works, but it's rubbing alcohol, so I think it would do the trick. So you want to take your old bottle, or if you can a new one. You can see I took off the label, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna use out. And then place some in the water. It's first enough just for your hair, né? And this is like 20 bucks, guys, and this is like the best detangler ever. I'm going to just take these and then chop off the ends, né? Because we're not going to need those. But it really doesn't matter because this is only for hair. If you were eating it, if it was for consumption, then you would throw these away. But since this is just for hair, you can actually keep them and just continue to dice them into pieces. Or you can throw them whole like this. But I'm just gonna pop it in a pot. And then I'm gonna pour a cup of water in there. Just a cup of water. Just enough to cover this whole thing, eh? So we'll go in there. I think I'll need half a cup more. So you're not gonna need a lot of water. And then I'll just put it on the stove top, né? Bring this to a boil, and then for 10 minutes, and then wait for 5 minutes with the stove on low temperature so that it kind of simmers, and then the gels can just come together nicely, né? Water has went down a bit, then we'll start to take it out. But now you see that the level of the water is rising because of the gel that's been extracted from the okra. So what you want to do is just leave it on a bit because the okra is still a bit hard. So it's gonna start to change in color, and yeah. My arm is getting tired because guys, I'm literally holding this camera with my hands. I hope it's not shaky, but I just wanted to show you the process. And you can see that it's turning a bit golden, and that's what we want, guys. That's what we want. That is the deal. That is the deal that we're looking for. Guys, can you see that the water is even changing color inside? Or is it my eyes? Let me see. Okay, I can't see because but this is like, it didn't take long. You can make as much as you want. And for a little kick, I like to put in my alu drink. Yeah, so like the reason why I decided to post this tutorial is because a lot of people have been asking me what I use on my hair. And because most of my stuff is organic, DIY stuff, I decided to post this video. And if this is something you'd be interested in watching or getting more of this content, please leave a comment on the comment section below with DIY, with the words DIY, and I'll be sure to check it out. And yeah, and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my engagement, guys. It's really important that you guys comment on the comment sections and give videos thumbs up so that YouTube can realize that I'm alive on YouTube. Done. Just gonna put it here to let it cool. You can see that. We literally just made gel. The steam is still coming out. Let me leave it for about a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna use wipes because I don't have a cheesecloth. So these are like wipes that have already dried up. You can see it's like super dry. So I'm gonna use 2 white baby wipes. This up and I'll be back. I put some in the bottle and then, so I'm just gonna shake this up. See, so you can add your favorite conditioner or your favorite oils and yeah, keep it in the fridge for like about a week or 2 and then yeah. So I added some alu and this will give you great hair benefits as well. So let's check the consistency. See? Still hasn't disturbed it yet. So this will go nicely for if you're looking for that slippery. Yeah, let's go guys. She's washing the dishes.